This is the G63 smart light sound machine from Temu. So if you purchase one on Temu and you expected it to be big, don't be disappointed because it's really small. It looks big in the picture, but here's how it is with the measurement in connection with the phone. This is my this is the Galaxy Flip. See, it's just the phone is just a little bit higher. See, so basically it's smaller than your, like, it's probably like as big as your phone that you have, but just wider. So just so you know, right? You look at that. And these are the connections that you will see at the back. So this, you see, this is small legs. This is where the light is gonna come from. And you will only have that connector for the charger, and then for a headphone. And then if you want to add a memory card, or if you want to put some music, if you have music in a memory card, that's where you're gonna put it. And this is the charger. It came with the charger. You just have to find a plug available at your house. So you just charge it in. And if you see at the bottom, it starts lighting up, but it hasn't turned on yet. So basically, to turn it on, you know, if you just purchase it, you can try all the buttons and read the as a very small instruction. Like really instruction is like really like a small piece of paper and very small letters, so you would have to figure it out if you want to read the whole thing. But it's supposed to be dimmable and has alarm clock and sound machine, wireless charging, and we're gonna all try that. So to turn it on, you just have to press this one here. I will show you because it's really small, so you want to see how big it is. Here's the good view of those little buttons. So you have that back button and the forward button, the stop, and then also the power. And this will be where you change the light. So let's try. So when you want to start it, you press that. It will light up the time. If you haven't set it yet, I'll show you. But this is the default light will come up, will turn on, and then this is where you're gonna change the light. Like it's this button. So you're gonna go click, it changes it. These are the available lights showing you, and then that. You have that color, you have that combination, you have the red, and you can turn it off if you want. Again, that's the default. So if you want to charge the phone, you're supposed to charge it here. So right now, I've had it for a couple of months and it was sitting in there and it's not showing me that it's charging, but it's supposed to charge, right? So on my Z Flip 6, I'm going to where the Bluetooth connection is, and I'm gonna try to find this. So if you have iPhone or Android, all you need to do is go to the settings and Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is turned on, and this is what's coming up. So it's the G G63. So if you've already paired this with another phone, it will show up like that. So it says paired on previous phone or tablet. But if it's new, you will have to, we'll see it, you will see it brand new, and then when you click on it, it's gonna pair it, and it will give you a notice, Bluetooth pairing request. Oh, let's go do it again. So it's gonna pair, it's gonna say pairing, and then you have to just wait. Let's see if it's ready to. So now it's paired already. It says connected for calls and audio, 60% battery remaining. So it's gonna tell you that. And I'm just gonna try to see if it charges, because right now that thing is not charging. So I've just purchased this for within the last like 3-4 months, and it has stopped charging. I'm not sure why, but it's supposed to charge. It's supposed to charge when you do that, but it's not. So I'm trying to play a music right now. So I have I'm gonna try Liquid, because he doesn't, you can use his music for free, so we don't get any trademark violation. So we're gonna try this. So this is actually, so take note of these keys. So that M button, that's what you press. So you enter that, you press that, you hold this when you're just connecting your Bluetooth. So when your Bluetooth mode is entered, this is where you can turn it on and off. So now I'm gonna show you how to pair it. So click on this M button. So it's gonna be discoverable here on the Bluetooth. Go back to your Bluetooth. It's not showing up here, so you want to make sure that it shows up. There, its available device is G63. So you click on it. And it's connecting right now. So now it is connected for calls and audio. It will tell you how much the remaining battery, which says 50%. And it's supposed to charge here. So in conclusion, this is good for if you want the light. So it's good for the lighting. For me, it's good for the lighting because that's the only thing that works good right now. So it's good for the lighting, to use for your lighting. Music, if you want it like just, it's not loud, so it's just enough as a sound machine. The alarm clock, I haven't figured it out yet. So, but the music, it does play and you can set the time. So basically, it looks like it's here where the alarm is. So you have to, let's see, alarm. So just an update, it does charge. When I place my phone, it was charging. It's just not for this. It looks like because this, make sure your phone doesn't have a cover. So again, it still charges even if it's off like that. As long as you have your wire connected, it will charge your phone. And also a reminder, make sure that you turn it off, right? You turn off your Bluetooth when you don't want. Then if you leave it in the living room or not your room, like if a lot of people is there, because it's gonna continue connecting, so you want to make sure it's not connected. So right now it was not, so just make sure when you leave it out in the open, if you don't want your phone getting connected there, you want to make sure that it's turned off in the Bluetooth. So basically it's not gonna connect if it's on. But I have had it where I've had turned my phone on and this was on too, so it was on the other room and it's it was connected and it rang there. So it should connect if you turn it on and then click the phone. So you will see that. So it says, so again, it will say connected for calls and audio, and then it will say 80% battery remaining because it was charging, right? It's charging right now, so it will tell you, and it will charge as you go like that. I'm just not sure why it's not charging. Oh, there it is. So now it is charging. It will tell you that you're charging your phone there, which is good. And then again, set up time. You just click on this button, this. There's your easy button is the light, the ambient light. So in conclusion, this is good for the lighting, the charging, not so much of the alarm because it's hard to figure out. If you have the time, which a lot of us doesn't have, then you can figure it out. But otherwise, that's how it is. It's small. It's supposed to be a sound machine, but it's not very loud, so it's just enough. And it's good for charging and recommended for the lighting. But it's a good purchase for the price. I recommend it for the lighting, and just if you're curious how it is. So here it is. And see, again, I'm showing you the lights. That's what the available lights are. You can charge while doing that, and you can play music, alarm. Might as well use your phone for the alarm because it doesn't work. And again, turn it off. Turn off this. You can unpair it and pair. But even if you unpair it, you can still charge. All right, that's it. That's it.